So 6 reasons why buyers and sellers are unhappy with their agent. The first thing is trust. The number one quality consumers seek in an agent is trust. Buyers and sellers want full disclosure at all times about every document. They want to be given the heads up about important changes to housing regulations and mortgage rules. They want to be advised of realistic expectations to selling or buying their home and dislike last-minute changes. Your pre-listing package should be comprehensive and provide clients with a thorough plan of selling or buying their dream home. Next thing is responsiveness. Responding to emails and texts immediately is a sign to your prospects that you are dedicated to their success. And 47% of buyers and 44% of sellers rank responsiveness ahead of professionalism and expertise are desirable traits in an agent. The next thing is missed appointments. Sure, there are always circumstances for missing an appointment, but clients don't want to know about them. They want to be advised of any change in schedule so that they can avoid wasted commutes, additional childcare costs, and stress. If you miss your appointment for any reason other than the act of God, you're chipping away at your client's confidence in your ability to follow through. Set reasonable expectations for yourself and others when it comes to planning and meeting, especially when third parties are involved. The next thing is poor communication. Miscommunication by email, text are common complaints held prospective buyers and sellers who were unhappy with their agent. Faulty directions, confusing email conversations, and texts are not only annoying but suggest a lack of organization skill. Invest in robust communication, CRM, schedule appointments, and follow-ups with prospective clients. Bonus is like apps to make everything productive. The next thing is lack of personal touch. Common courtesy goes a long way. Written notes, thank you letters, impressions to the clients. Instead of texting, shooting your client a quick phone call to reassure them your personal commitment to helping them reach their goals. Bring cookies or a game for the kids. You gotta send birthday cards, all that kind of stuff. That really warms up your client. The next thing is poor negotiating skills. Among sellers and buyers alike, negotiating skills are important when it comes to renewing their listing with an agent. A consumer survey released in 2015 suggests that 16% of the consumers wanted an agent who fought harder for their interest during negotiations. A summary technology-based alternative for buying or selling a home haven't quite replaced the need for real estate agents yet. While most agents are investing heavily in lead generation, branding, and social media, like what I'm doing right now, the real challenge is retaining the clients you get during the challenges stages of home ownership. Your success as a real estate agent will always depend on to a large degree on reputation you develop locally through your sphere of influence, past clients that makes the best referrals, and prospects that will interview you. So the use of technology to make you more efficient, but your personal touch and attention will earn you more referrals than the sophisticated IDX website. So if you're investing the time and energy to generate leads, spend the effort to retain those clients by delivering an exceptional personalized experience. What I said there, if you have any questions, go ahead and DM me. I'm glad to help you and explain further. Thanks.